Hi guys, we're back out with the DJI NEO. It's a little bit windy today, but we felt like we had another video that we'd like everyone to see, and something that not a lot of people give a lot of thought to. But what if your NEO goes down somewhere? How do you find it? Stick around and we're going to show you. Okay, so again, let's open up the profile and go to Find My Drone. Okay, you can see we're quite a ways away from where we started, so let's start the flashing and let's start going to find the DJI NEO. Okay, follow the white circle. That's who we are. And we're heading towards the drone. Now, as you can see, we're a good distance away from the drone. And on the screen you can see the little circle, which is us, and we're getting closer to the NEO. You know what I found interesting is when we landed the NEO is that little symbol that they added in the Mini 4 Pro and the Mavic 3. They now have that feature in the DJI NEO, and I think that's really cool. Okay guys, the circle, we are right over the NEO. Okay, let's stop the flashing and the beeping because we found the NEO. Okay guys, we're at 24%. I think we'll bring her in and land her. Okay guys, that was just a little demonstration of what you can do if you've lost your NEO. Anyways, I hope that was informative. I hope somebody got something out of it, and I hope it works the next time you lose your NEO. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.